Last year, my website brought in over £40,000 in leads, and it wasn't a fancy one. It's just a simple Wix website I built myself. But here's the thing, it only worked once I stopped making the mistake that kills most of drone survey leads. If your website says we do everything like weddings, roof inspections, real estate, topo surveys, or even LiDAR, clients don't see you as a specialist. They see a jack of all trades and they don't call. I know because I made that mistake too. When I first built my website, I thought I will list all the services I can do with my 20 years of surveying experience. But guess how many leads I got? Zero. Think of it this way. Imagine walking down the high street and seeing a shop window with pizzas, car tires, wedding dresses, and iPhones all mixed together. Would you walk in? Probably not. It's confusing and it doesn't look professional. That's exactly how your website looks when you promote every drone service under the sun. So I changed. I stripped the site down and focused only on one type of client, construction companies. I made my website speak directly to them, and that's when things change. Last year, just from my website and Google search, I closed over £40,000 worth of work. Not from YouTube, not from LinkedIn, just a website. And here's the thing, not having a website at all, it's even a bigger mistake. Your website, it's your showfront. And even if Google search isn't what it used to be, construction managers still Google things like drone surveys Glasgow or drone mapping services near me. And if you're not there, you don't exist to them. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building a website sounds complicated and I don't have the skills or the time. But here's the good news. Today you can build a website in minutes using AI. This tool from Lovable generates a professional website instantly. You just tweak it for your niche, add your services and hit publish. No coding, no design skills, no excuses. So here's the lesson. Stop trying to be everything to everyone. Pick your niche, make your website speak directly to that client. That's how you turn clicks into paying projects. I learned this the hard way, but you don't have to. If you found this helpful, join my free newsletter where I share weekly tips to grow your drone survey business. The link is down in the description. And if you want to know how to price your drone surveys profitably, click the video right there. It's going to save you a lot of time and money.